we sail a little bit high.
Tap strap. If you look it in the regular way, it just looks like a strap. But if you look it in a modern way, it's a new generation keyboard that the creators developed to use it on any type of surface. In order to use this gadget, you have to wear it on your hand and tap on the surface. The device recognizes your movements and transforms them into symbols. A simple knock is recognized as a vowel, and more complex of them are used to write consonants. In total, there are 31 combinations that allow the user to enter text with 99% accuracy. The system is equipped with an autocomplete system and a predictive text input. At first glance you will find it disturbing, but at last you will get used to it and you will enjoy it. This gadget is available for $119. Splash drone. This drone is the most advanced unmanned aerial vehicle in the world. This drone has a 620 kilowatt motor and guarantees an ideal balance between power and effectiveness. This drone is able to fly in any weather regardless of the conditions. In addition, this gadget is priced $1,700. Sound Heroes. This is the most futuristic Bluetooth speaker on the market. Each corner of this device has been polished by hand, giving it a polygonal look combined with sharp edges. In addition to its main function, this gadget is also a wireless charging station for your phone, a device to increase your Wi-Fi signal, and also a subwoofer. This cool gadget can change its color and release theme when playing music. But in order to get all these functions, you should sync it with the music, and in order to sync it to the music, you should buy it. The price of this cool speaker is $150.